off the edge, didn't you? You're funny, Kelly. You're funny. I can't make my bed. Crap. What the hell? What the hell? Maybe. I don't know. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. Yeah, right there. That'll work. Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. Reminds me of my ex. It's lumpy and lifeless. Yeah. There. Oh, there we go. Alright, yeah. I'm happy. Alright.
Kelly.
Hi, Kelly.
Hey, Kelly.
Roar.
Where you go?
Roar.
You comfy?
Roar.
Wait, she's going, where's my pillow?
There she is.
That green one. I know she's not. Do you see that green?
You know what? Her ass is sliding out the back end of the thing.
Yeah.
Because of the chairs there, she wouldn't get up.
That is one beautiful dog.
Yeah.
Who would ever think that that dog was owned by the Mexican mafia to throw into the pits to fight what is it called? Pit bull fighting. Hey,
Hi, Kelly.
who was that guy who got arrested for all the dogs? The football player.
Oh, it was, nice shit, I forget his name. Keep on with the thing, man.
Whatever his name is. How can you look at a beautiful dog? I mean, 12 years ago when I got this dog, she barely had any hair, hematomas in both ears. Yeah, they're roughing her up for the ring.
Okay.
What kind of people do this sort of thing?
Asshole.
Yeah. Freaking dogs are beautiful. Animals, all animals on this earth, we are stewards. And we're to take care of them. Oh, hi, Gilly. She's a beautiful dog. She's very happy. Oh, don't let her. Don't check out this yard she's got to play with. But please, not just the backyard. Squirrels and possums, and she's bummed because today it is raining. It is raining, and she doesn't want to get her little paws wet.
You missed the starting gun.
Say goodbye, Kelly. I love you. You've been my best friend forever and ever. You protect me. You comfort me.
Oh, good.
You're a good dog.
Do you see any squirrels? See any squirrels?
Oh,
Any
don't
squirrels?
start. Don't start. She does not want to run out there.
She's got that bug-eyed look.
I
Crazy look.
know.
Don't you?
Well, for 3 days she's been in the house.
Squirrels. Squirrels.
Kelly.